Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap Sugar Hill local, and long-distance movers. Near me. When moving over a distance of 50 miles from your current address, we can travel long distances because we work closely with state and federal authorities in charge of relocation. We have done the necessary registration and have valid permits to move your belongings. A long-distance move is very tasking, and when carried out by inexperienced movers, there is a lot of property loss or damage. Hiring 3 movers is the best decision you can make when moving over a long distance because we have put everything in place to achieve a successful move. We hire and train only expert movers. Our movers handle your belongings with care. Also, we work with drivers with years of experience and valid licenses. In addition, our moving trucks are standard. They have compartments that protect your belongings throughout the trip. To ensure the total protection of your belongings, we have insurance coverage in place to cover risks during the relocation process. We also provide adequate local moving service in Sugar Hill, Georgia. Local moves are usually less expensive than long-distance moves. At 3 Movers, we offer the cheapest local activities in Sugar Hill, Georgia. Our moving rates range between $30 and $40 per hour. Our movers and drivers are highly efficient. We are conversant with all the routes in the city and will get to you on time. Our customer service agents are always available to provide answers to your inquiries and give free quotes. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Sugar Hill moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.